Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can promote affiliate product, Clickbank product with Quora. Okay, so for some reason I'm just promoting this product for the Quora because Quora is one of the best marketplace that you can promote your product without paying any advertising fee. Okay, so you don't need to pay any advertising for your product in Quora. Okay, there's many website that you can go and choose and pay for the advertising, but if you don't have the budget and you are a beginner, I definitely recommend start Quora. Quora is one of the best marketplace that the people just going to ask answer, and you give the question, or you ask answer, or some other people that they are looking for the answer, they get that to the point that you know they can get the answer. So this is the best way that you can promote your product, that the people that they are looking for the kind of answer, they can get the answer, and you can put your affiliate link somewhere around the topic that you are providing for them. So what I'm going to do is I just prepare some product here. If you are have a Clickbank, sign up, it's free, and just try to find a good product that you are interesting, or it does convert well. So I probably promote as many product as I can, that just I get the converting sale and scaling my converting sale, and I'm just trying as much as product as I can. Okay, so that's that's a simple thing, that you can choose the best product that you want to promote. You need to be consistent about promoting your product. From Clickbank, you need to try as many products as you can. um, I'm very interesting, like, for some other products in this marketplace, as you can see. This is arts, entertainment, business, investing. I like this kind of product. That's because I know about how I can promote those kind of product. So in this video I'm going to promote a product that I never promoted. So what I'm going to do is just go to home and garden, you know so I just choose a product, as that I can see the you can promote as many product as you can. I definitely recommend promote those product that you can see that the conversion is great. So what you're going to do is you go to Gravity. Gravity is showing you the best product that are converting well in the affiliate program in the Clickbank. So from the top I can see this product is the best converting, 70% is sell. Okay, that's not bad. The brain training for dog, I think it's looks good product. Yeah, so this is the product that I want to promote. Okay, what I'm gonna do is just get some title. It's very for example, I just go to Quora and ask some question. It is the best way to promote. No, it is the best way to train dog. Dog's brain. Maybe this one. What is the best way to train a discipline your dog? So I'm going to answer this question very simple, and what I'm gonna do is just answer this question. If I don't want to, don't know about the product as much, I'm just, you know, just go to the product and get that some title from the product, and I copy the title and just paste it here. For example, click here. Gonna I'm gonna get the link for this product. Can put some tracking ID, for example, dog. Okay, so this is my tracking link, tracking ID, and the end of his dog tracking link, tracking ID. Okay, this is the link that you guys can go and just copy the link, close it, go to Quora, and paste your link in the Quora. As you guys can see, I highlighted this click here, so I'm gonna add, boom, that's it. I share on the Twitter too, so someone in the Twitter can go and check it out. They're gonna probably, you know, exciting to, know about the what is the best way to train and discipline your dog. So this is the answer. Most dog training programs today fail to, engage your dog in a mental level and fail to develop his or her intelligence with enough mental stimulation. Many problem behaviors simply melt away. I'll explain why below. Okay, so this is click here. They go to the product. Boom, they like it. Just they purchase the product. That's how simple it is. I submit this, and that's it. I answered this question. Someone would like to know about this answer. They probably go to the, um, someone looking for this question, just looking for the answer. They read the answer and just they click and they go to the product. Okay, and if they purchase the product, I'm gonna get earn commission from Clickbank. So this is the product, and yeah, so that's how simple it is. All right, so that's how you guys can promote your product with Quora. Quora is one of the best, affiliate, one of the best platform that you guys can, promote your product. Okay, so that's the video for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoying this video, and yeah, so I'm going to release more videos in future about traffic, which traffic is the best for promoting your product. So if you guys wants to know more about affiliate marketing, about YouTube, about how you guys can promote your product, or the best traffic sources and affiliate marketplace and those kind of things, you guys can subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bells, and I'm definitely going to release more videos, and you guys can join the videos for free and just put your time and watching all the video and just try to use this information for your online business and affiliate marketing or whatever business you're in the online. So that's how you guys can get the point. Thank you everybody again. Subscribe, and I put I don't have any link at the moment, but yeah, it's just I wanted to giving you some good tips that you can promote your product. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.